Ooh. Where's your hitch at? Oh, it folds up on it there, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Haven't used this before. It's brand new.
Oh, is it?
See how it works.
Nice damn truck too.
Hey,
Hey bud, good. How are you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good, doing good. Guys getting excited? Damn,
Yes.
damn weight's already over, huh? Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, it's at a good height. If you can just get underneath it, it might be good. So we gotta flip this guy over, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll stick one in there. Here, got it.
Can you see a hole over there?
I can't. Yeah, that's this pin here.
Yeah. Front or back?
There we go.
Front.
All right, there's yours.
How's that for height?
Let's go. Yeah, I think that's actually pretty good. I don't think we can get much better than that. It'll go down another 1.5 inches. Yeah, I think we'll call that good.
All right. And I have this locked onto the truck. They keyed it to the truck ignition.
Oh,
so
how nice.
I have a special key.
Oh, wonderful.
All
Yeah,
right.
come on in here, back her in, and we'll
Alrighty.
get her hooked up. That's good. You guys will be glad to get out of this heat, huh?
Huh?
Be glad to get out of this heat, won't you?
Yeah, we were just talking, we hope it rains.
Here?
What? No, while we're riding.
Oh,
Yeah, here, for y'all.
yeah, no, I'd welcome it.
Naturally, just keep saying that you better remind me if it rains.
Yeah. Ooh, a little bit more. A little more. That's good.
Did she squat much?
You know, I didn't really notice. I don't think it did really much. But yeah, I got the key here. Let me get this guy hooked up here. Have you towed with this one yet?
No. Like the other one I had, just different color.
Oh, okay. Come here. Alright. Not so bad, but let's put that'll be all right. All right. Oh, shit.
We got signal lights.
Oh, good.
So what now?
I guess it wasn't locked. So you got a the black key works this and the tongue lock.
Okay, cool.
Same one. Purple one's the door. That one's the back door, lock. So I'll give you that for it. Forget. So got a few things with everything in there.
She'll be locked to the truck the whole time.
Okay, that's fine. Bunch of these if you guys want them. These little lasso straps.
Yeah, great.
A
then,
tire tool. There's a
What hooks into?
yeah, all those guys are.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Then ours will.
There's 20 of them there. You guys need 16, I figured, so there's 4 extras.
Excellent.
So tire tool. There's a wrench here to get the tires off. If you guys want to move these tires, if that's in your way especially, it's going to be kind of buried if you have it flat. Hopefully you don't have two. But if you want to move it to the back here, just undo that nut there.
Oh, it's all modular.
And it's an E-track thing. You can just put it in any E-track that you want.
That is the best stuff on the planet.
So good. It's so good. Somebody made a lot of money. So these are where they were when you guys loaded.
Excellent.
So if that works for you, good. Those two there are in the same spot. I had a couple for my bike, so I added a couple of extras. You can always use extras. There's a couple extra here too if you guys need those.
Great.
Otherwise,
Yeah, we might need to strap one of the guys in here.
yeah. And when you're hooked up, you should have some lights. There you go.
Wonderful.
Good
See
deal.
the beauty.
There it is.
And then there's also this little lock here on the door.
Okay.
Just push it in the little slot there and push down and lift up, and it closes up. So while you're traveling, make sure that let's get the key.
Locked.
Yeah, well, make sure that the deadbolt is really on.
Okay.
Whether or not the door's locked or not isn't really going to matter much. So you twist it, I think, this way all the way. That's deadlock. And then you lock that guy if you want.
I've got a little single axle, single motorcycle trailer.
Oh, okay.
I always lock that one on it too.
Yeah, sure. So these tires are new. I upgraded from 10 to 12 ply, heavy duty, nice damn tires. So
somebody had fun on the other side.
yeah, I'll tell you about that. It's like, one way you can tell if the trailer's level is if this little dog bone's level.
Yeah.
So it looks nice and level. So
Yeah.
I like that. So you know about the back door. You got a couple locks.
Yeah.
Same key. Flip them over and come down. And somebody got a little close to bollards on the end of a gas station pump.
Yeah.
They just pulled out and went oh shit, and caught it just before it got into the tire. This was all smashed up. I put a new one on yesterday because I just didn't want it to look like crap. So
Luckily, I got 3 guys to watch me when we get close to something.
oh, I got to give you the if you want it. There's a backup camera and there's a camera on the inside.
Okay.
If you want to look at your bikes, give the passenger something to goof around with, and it's really handy for backing up if you get in a stuck spot. Let me go grab it and I'll give it to you. So it's a little video screen. Plug it into little USB.
Great.
And it only powers the cameras up when the lights on the trailer are on. So when I hook my truck up, all the lights go on automatically. It may do this on yours. If it doesn't,
I've got to add the trailer to the computer.
oh, okay, gotcha.
But
So
I check the brake lights and turning signals are
okay.
working.
Well then, good. So to get the cameras to energize, the lights need to be on.
All right.
And then you can flip through. I think it's channel,
Yeah.
or maybe it's menu, and you can. It'll show you both cameras at a split screen if you want, or
You can choose one or the other.
Yeah, you can choose one or the other. This thing handles 4 cameras, so you got to kind of flip through the 2 that aren't there.
Excellent.
There you guys go.
Yeah, that'll. Because we're always stopping, checking to make sure that everything's
sure.
tight. This will save us a stop.
Well, it is nice. When you stop and get gas, you're going to want to look, but
Yeah.
make sure everything's, tug it down and make sure everything's tight.
If you see one start dancing, you know to stop.
Get
right
the hell
away.
over, yeah, exactly. All right, you guys.
Appreciate
You guys have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Have a good trip. If
We'll
you got-
take good care of
Yeah,
it.
if you got any questions, any issues with it, just give me a call.
All right.
We'll work it out. I know trailer companies all over the country here, so if you guys get in a pickle, I can help you guys out. So.
Cool.
All right, guys.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Have a good one. All right, here we go. Vern and a couple of his buddies, 3 of his buddies, heading to Sturgis with 4 baggers. 10 days. Yoo-hoo.